I tried TokenPocket app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the TokenPocket app, I thought it was just another multi-chain wallet. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that TokenPocket might be one of the most feature-packed crypto wallets I've ever tested, almost too powerful for its own good. On day 1, I was surprised by how quickly I could import my existing wallets from Ethereum, Chain, and even Tron. It supports over 70 blockchains and switching between them is instant. Most people get this wrong. They think multi-chain means slow and confusing, but TokenPocket keeps everything smooth and organized. By day 3, I started exploring its built-in dApp browser. This is where things got interesting. You can connect directly to DeFi platforms, NIF markets, and games without leaving the app. It's like having MetaMask, Uniswap, and OpenSea all under one roof. By day 5, I tested its swap feature and cross-chain bridge. The process was straightforward. I swapped tokens across chains in minutes, and the gas optimization feature helped me save fees automatically. The app even shows live gas prices before you confirm a transaction. By day 7, I discovered the shocking truth. TokenPocket isn't just a wallet, it's a complete crypto ecosystem. It lets you stake, trade, swap, and explore the entire web world from one dashboard. But there's one catch: because it offers so much, beginners might find the interface a bit overwhelming at first. Once you get used to it, though, it's an incredibly powerful tool. If you want a wallet that does everything from DeFi to NFTs, TokenPocket might just be the ultimate all-in-one solution.